Hey friends, welcome back to Challenge Accepted. So today I'm looking at the Facebook group for CSI, and their case file has this going on. This is the inspiration, kind of the image, and I can copy the color scheme. Will it remind me of a story in my photos? See a title, inspired by the style or designer technique, steal some details to draw from your own stash. Choose one or many inspirations. So draw your own inspiration or scroll to the bottom to find additional clues. So there's tons and tons and tons of fun clues. So the deal is I am not going to be using Christmas paper, and this is a very Christmassy snowy image. I like it, but I'm gonna kind of bring in this bluey color and the red color. I might be sneaking in the yellow because I like the idea of primary stuff. What else? Let's see. Use older or never used stamps or rub-ons. I might be able to bring in some rub-ons. I might. Let me reach over here. I have a Heidi Swap set, and I might be able to use some arrows or something. I could do that. Here's some sequins that I was planning on bringing in, and sequins are one of the options. It says use some small bits, brads, rhinestones, pearls, sequins, yada, yada, yada. Magic number 25. That is not going to be working for this. But I wonder if I could use 25 sequins. Maybe I could think of doing something like that. Design clues. Use a grid. Not doing a grid. I'm looking to see. Use a solid background. That's not going to happen. So I guess I have a little bit of the color thing. I've got sequins. I'll see if I can use 25. I don't know. I'm not using older stash. This is actually, I'm trying to kill off my Not Just for Boys December 2020 kit. It's called Remarkable, and it's the premium kit. So I have 5 full-size pieces of the pattern paper left. Now the deal is though, I do tend to get both or like an extra paper pack, so I always have lots and lots of paper. Oh gosh, I have coffee on my desk. That's just kind of gross. Yes, it is. Oh no, actually it's not me. It's my daughter's ramen from last night. Okay, what else do I have? I have this right here. This is the alphabet, and it's called Decoupage, printed chipboard letter stickers. Let's see if I can come up with a word from them. And these are the die cuts that I have left from the Vicki Boutin collection. This, I believe it's Storyteller. So maybe if I bring in this really nice gold, I can use some gold rub-ons and that will kind of flow. I have some of these frame pieces. I could do kind of like framey things kind of going up with a photo there. Ooh, I like that idea that frames would go up. Do you guys like that? Now this color blue is in my daughter's shirt, but the deal is with this die cut that gets tricky is it says never stop looking up. It's not like a night sky thing. It's a sky thing, but not a night sky thing. I could use Daydream. That has some of the gold. Not that I can get it up. The other colors I'm not really vibing on for this layout. So who knows? I'm going to put these right on the top of my desk. I'll have them handy. It said rub-on. I like the idea of trying to use up some more of these rub-ons, and they're very metallic-y gold. I have that. What else? I do have stamps, but I don't know if they're going to show up on my background. Look at how cool they are. They're like definition stamps, but I'll have them out. I have no problem having them out. And then I also have some stencils that are part of these Heidi Swap stencils. They're so cool. And I have all kinds of them. So if I used them, it would just be kind of some mixed media goodness. All right, the palm fronds aren't really going to work. I don't know. Maybe I can build something in with a title. Like tell your story, something, something. I don't know. We're going to see how it goes. I hear my dogs thumping along out in the hallway. All right, so what I'm going to do, let's pick our background. I think I'll use blue for the background. My daughter is wearing a gray blue looking hoodie, so that works. We have blue lake water behind them. Where I originally started is I liked these two together because I thought the yellow might pick up some of the changes in the leaves and the trees behind them. And really what this photo is, it's not a big deal. This is my daughter Shay and the Nick, and they were helping their aunt get the boat out of the water for the season. So that's all it is. Last picture of them on the boat for the year. They actually, I had to crop it in. They actually had like a red, white, and blue blanket on their lap, but it was like super Americana, and I did not want to pull that in. Yes, that is my entire story. It's fascinating, I know. All right, so I am going to what? Or I could trim it in this blue and have it, on the yellow, I don't know. And I can fill in these frames with the red. That might be kind of jazzy. Okay, maybe I'll do that. I don't know. This is very complicated. All right, I'm going to figure out what I'm doing, and I will come back in just a jiffy and see where we go with this. Okay, check-in time. I went ahead and matted these frames in the same paper I used to mat my photo, although I did grab a piece of this Vicki Boutin paper as well to mat in between. So I have a triple mat. Fine. I really like the idea of bringing out this color. It looks a lot like my daughter's sweatshirt and plays off the whole water thing. Now this enjoy word right here, these were part of those Heidi Swap stencils, and I just used the enjoy part of this stencil to pop some inky bits up top. And now I'm looking at these Vicki Boutin pieces, and I think I'll put the butterfly here. Oh, and by the way, these two frames I popped up on just a little bit of foam for some interest. So my photo's flat this time, but the frames are not. I'm also going to use this floral piece here, so I'm going to have a bit of a diagonal with those floral pieces. And I'll be putting my title, which will just be Enjoy Lake Fun. The Lake Fun piece, I'm going to go ahead and use my liquid adhesive to tack that down. Now we did talk about the sequins. I was going to see if I can get 25 of them on as part of that, the prompts, as well as I want to work on seeing which ones of these really, really bold, sparkly, rub-ons I can get on. So I'm going to do all that, and hopefully the sequins will kind of cascade down kind of on a diagonal coming this way, and then we'll see if there's anything else we have to do at that point. Give me a second. All right, friends, let's finish this up. So I basically have it done, and I didn't get the 25 sequins on. I am an epic failure. It is all true. But what I did do is, once I got this done, I was like, okay, it needs something else. Like, it's done, and it's perfectly fine how it's done, but I kind of decided I wanted more. I wanted to bring some more of the color over to the left side. So I just went ahead and cut a slice off of this red brick paper, which is kind of a cool paper. And I'm using the Vicki Boutin paper underneath it so that I can make sure I end up with the 12 by 12. And yes, I will take forever to make that happen, but this is the best idea I had at the exact moment without, trying too hard. There we go. So this is my finished layout. Like I said, I wanted I gotta trim that tiny bit. I just wanted a bit of color over here. So it would really help if I turn my last light on. There we go. So let's take a look at this. So I did get the Heidi Swap really old school little rub-ons on, the super metallic ones, and that's fun because I have the Vicki Boutin slightly duller, not like crazy difference, but slightly duller little gold bits, and that's fine. And then in each of my little sequins, I have a tiny little gold star in the center of each of them, center-ish, that I just stuck on a little gluey bit. So I have some nice gold going through. We have the yellow on the background. I don't mind yellow with gold. It's almost like a tone-on-tone thing, and that can be really fun. And really, this picture is simply these two are hanging out in the boat before they take it out of the water at the end of an autumn day. So that is it for Challenge Accepted today. I killed off a little bit more of this cool kit that I have. I'm running out of stuff with this kit I'm using. I have, for full-size sheets, I have 2 full-size sheets left. So I definitely can get 1 to 2 more layouts done. But the stuff is the issue. Now, I do have lots and lots of these super cool template things. Template's not the right word. I'm having a problem. You guys know what I mean. Okay, you guys always tell me the word I was trying to come up with. Okay, I have that. Now for my colors left in here, and yes, you can just stop listening to me. The colors I have are really interesting that I have left. So I should, the next layout I do with this kit, make sure to just put these on and see what I come up with. And I also have these really cool words and wood bits from my packaging. So definitely can get another layout out of it. But due to the fact that this is the end of the month, this is the last you'll be seeing of this until I need to incorporate in another cool kit or something to do. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But this is what I have for you today. I hope you like what I came up with, and I will be back ever so soon with another video. It just occurred to me what I'm going to do, because I need to bring in a little bit more of this ink, is I think I'm going to go ahead and get my date stamp out, you know, when I found it. Look up the photo and just kind of do like a messy inking of the date down here with the same ink. But aside from that, it is done, folks. We'll see you later. Bye-bye now.